Oh, it feels fantastic and a privilege to be a 30th award winner. I never knew that the works I've done will be recognized by the award community, and really glad to be one of the awardees. My work is about bridging the gap that is left, strengthening health system, especially in developing countries like Nigeria. So in strengthening health system, we see that there's a gap between delivering eye health services from underprivileged communities to those that are in the higher class. So what we did is to create the enabling system for eye health services to be accessible for all within the community. Being back on campus brings those nostalgic moments. Running the streets, trying to get to lecture town, especially with the School of Optometry there, where I did my MSc in clinical optometry. I bring back those lovely memories and time spent with colleagues and friends around there. During time in Cardiff University, I was able to meet great minds, like, for example, Professor Gwobrau, who has also done great work in Africa, especially in Nigeria when I've come to. So learning from my experience gave me the boots, more like a stepping stone to actually wanting to improve myself professionally, and also gave me a personal touch to the way she has worked in Nigeria, and the impact she has created also motivated me to do much more. And that which I've learned from her, transfer those skills back to my community. When I was doing my clinical section while in the university, because while we're doing in university, we're able to do clear coursework and also have a practical experience within the practice, the clinical practice in there. And one of them was when one of the professors was able to, help deliver precise, more like clinical-based guidelines especially for pediatric children. And the way she was able to deliver such services was quite fascinating, and I was intrigued by such level of care, empathy, and it's something that also every time when I reflect on that, impacts my service. And whenever I deliver such service to any other person, I try to link that, which is a very key point. I would also like to that every one of us, every individual, are more than just two pairs of eyes. So when we get to them, we treat them with empathy and give them the best care possible.